Line coding schemes are unipolar, polar, bipolar, multi-level, multi-transition. As we have seen that there are some issues like self-synchronization problems, then baseline wandering issues and DC component issues are there. So to deal with these issues, the electronic authorities has been identified here certain different sort of line coding schemes. The first one is unipolar NRZ scheme, that is non-return to zero scheme. Unipolar scheme, why it is called as a unipolar? Because here the signals are on one side of the axis. Every time the signals are on one side of the axis. And this particular unipolar scheme is one of the technique where you people can see the positive signal has been shown by beat 1. Bit 1 is telling here the positive signal, that is a high signal, and 0 signal is telling bit 0. So like this way, the representation of the signal is there. And since it is covered in the two different level, and that is also in only one polarity, that is positive level, so that's why this scheme is very expensive. This is based on the one polarity, and in this case here these two binary states are used, that is 0 and 1. Due to expensive nature of this positive polarity here, we may have the certain issues can be managed, like here you people not will have the lack of synchronization and DC component issues may arrive. It is a very undesirable thing. Like if I am having 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, like this way, so many zeros are there. Then see this 0, 0, 0, the signal level will be completely at 0 only. And that problem may be there into the non-return to zero scheme. It is called as non-return to zero because see here, when signal bit 1 is transmitted, in this bit 1, when the signal is transmitted, the signal is not reaching to 0 in between. Is it reaching to 0? No. Here you can see the signal is completely getting transmitted in this bit interval. It is not coming in between this part to 0, and that's why it is called as non-return to 0. I hope it's clear. Non-return to zero means what? When your signal is getting transmitted for a specific beat pattern, it is not reaching in the beat interval. See, this is the beat interval. My cursor movement is showing beat interval. This signal is not coming to zero anywhere. It is completely reaching to the last beat interval position. That is called as non-return to zero concept. The second scheme is, here we do have it, that is bipolar scheme or polar schemes. In that polar schemes we do have it here. First technique, that is non-return to zero, and it is for level, and non-return to zero for inversion. Look here, the concept of this polar scheme has been designed after the NRZ, because we have seen into this non-return to zero technique, when the bit stream is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, then sometimes this may arrive to the DC component problem. So this NRZ is not effective. It is expensive also. So therefore the authorities has been designed the polar scheme, where the polar schemes are giving you two different level. One is positive and the another one is negative. In these two different levels, here the data signals will get travel. Look here, the position of the zeroth level, that is at high position, and one bit is telling about the negative position, that is negative polarity. So NRZ level, this NRZ level, look at the cursor, NRZ level, the level of the voltage determines the value of the beat, value of the beat. So look here, this is what the high level, which is represented by positive polarity, that is beat 1. Low level, that is a negative polarity representing beat 1. Sorry, beat 0 is high level and beat 1 is low level, that is negative polarity. So in this concern, now see my beat pattern 0, 1, 0, how will it move? Look here, 0, high, 1, low, 0 high, 0 high, 1 low, 1 low, 1 low, and 0 high. This way the NRZL will work out. The second technique is NRZ inversion. NRZ inversion. See the comment, student. If the next beat is 0, no inversion is there. If the next beat is 1, there is an inversion. Now start working on the signal pattern. At the first point, your transmission is in this position. Look here the cursor. Look at the cursor. It is this position. So the first beat is 0. The next beat is 0. So no inversion. So आप पहले high level पे थे तो high level पे ही रहो. Okay. Now the next beat is 1. Inversion. So polarity change करो, नीचे आ जाओ. नेक्स्ट बीट कौन सा है इसका? 0. नो इन्वर्जन. इधर के इधर ही रहो. नेक्स्ट बीट इज 0. Don't change the polarity, no inversion. The next bit is 1, change the polarity because inversion is there. Next bit is 1, change the polarity because inversion is there. Next bit is 1, change the polarity because inversion is 1. Okay, change the don't change the polarity because the next bit is 0. This way here NRZ inversion is represented. In this case here, you can see the second method and the first method. In this, you may have certain problems may get arrived. That is the baseline wandering. What do you mean by the baseline wandering? Just now we have seen it's a drift into the signal. It may happen that if the transmitter and the receiver speed is not matching, that time here the synchronization issue may come, as well as this average power consumption when it is calculating, then the baseline wandering issues also may come into the NRZ scheme. So there is a issue about here the NRZ in baseline wandering problem and the synchronization problem. But there is no DC component. No DC component. Why? Because see, nowhere your signal is at 0th position at any situation. No situation is providing the signal 0 is at 0 level. So that means there is no DC component issue is there. I'm repeating it here. In this case here, we do have it NRZ level, where we are mentioning the 0th beat is at positive polarity as per the discussion into the NRZ scheme, and 1 is telling here the negative polarity, 0 is telling here the positive polarity, 1 is telling here the negative polarity, again 0 is telling here the negative positive polarity, next bit is 0 positive, next bit is 0 positive, next bit is 1 negative, next bit is 1 negative. Inversion technique, in diagram we have seen the comment. If the next bit is 0, be there, don't change the polarity, because the 0 level ka polarity we were having positive, keep as it is. Next bit is 1, change the polarity means inversion is there. Next bit is 0, no inversion. Next bit is 0, no inversion. Next bit is 0, yes, change the polarity because inversion is there. Next bit is 1, so change the polarity, it's positive polarity to negative polarity. Next bit is 0, no inversion, no inversion, no inversion. Again 1 is there, inversion. Again next bit is 1, inversion, and change the polarity.